So 24th question. A part. Account for the following. I part. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable with respect to oxygen as its decomposition into oxygen results in the liberation of heat and an increase in entropy. Second part. Solid PCl5 is ionic in nature. In solid state, PCl5 exists as PCl4 plus PCl6 minus and conducts electricity on melting. Fluorine forms only one oxo acid HOF. Due to small size and high electronegativity, fluorine forms only one oxo acid HOF. Moving to the B part, draw the structure of BrF5 and XeF4. Here are the structures of Br5 and XeF4. Moving further, I part, compare the oxidizing action of F2 and Cl2 by considering parameters such as bond dissociation, enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and hydration enthalpy. Since F2 is the stronger oxidizing agent than chlorine, low enthalpy of dissociation of FF bond, less negative electron gain enthalpy of F, high hydration enthalpy of F ion. Second part, write the condition to maximize the yield of H2SO4 by contact process. The conditions are low temperature, high pressure, and the presence of a catalyst. Third part, arrange the following in the increasing order of property mentioned. A part, H3PO3, H3PO4, H3PO2 reducing character. In the increasing order of the reducing character, H3PO4, H3PO3, and last comes H3PO2. B part, NH3PH3, ASH3, SBH3, BIH3 base strength. In increasing order of the base strength, BIH3, SBH3, ASH3, PHH3, and in the last comes NH3. Here are the answers.